How to change name on OFX. Follow the instructions. Log into your OFX account using your email and password. Go to the Account Settings section. Look for the Personal Information or Profile section. Check if there is an option to edit your name. If not, prepare a valid document showing your legal name change. This could be a marriage certificate, court order, or government-issued ID. Take a clear photo or scan of the document. Go to the OFX Contact or Support page. Choose how you want to contact them, such as phone, email, or live chat. Explain that you need to update your name and attach the document. Wait for OFX to review and verify your request. Once approved, they will update your account with the new name. Thank you for watching.